All right, we have a question on the periodic table here. We've got an example of a periodic table here developed by John Newlands. And the first question is, what are the names of the elements in group 5 of this periodic table, of Newlands table? Group 5, that would be these, that would be C and Si. So you might know these. If you don't, what you'll do is in the exam, you'd go to your periodic table and you look and find these elements and you'll see their names. So if you look at C, I think that's group 4, you'll know that that's carbon, not calcium. Calcium is Ca. And for Si, that's silicon. Answer here is carbon and silicon. Part B of the question, in what order is the modern periodic table arranged? So it wasn't early periodic tables, it's the modern periodic tables. The early periodic tables were arranged in order of atomic weight. That was the only thing that was measurable back in those days. Now, because we know about protons and neutrons, we use atomic number. Everything is in order of atomic number. So if you look at the periodic tables, you look at the bottom numbers, the smaller numbers, you'd see every element goes in order. Hydrogen is 1, then we've got helium, there's 2, lithium's 3, and they all go in order. So the answer here is atomic number. Final part of this question, for 2 marks, give 2 differences between group 1 of Newlands table and group 1 of the normal periodic table that we have right now, the modern one. So let's look at group 1 here. And again, if you look back at the actual periodic table that you're given in your exams, you'll see group 1 here has some halogens in it. It's got F and Cl. Those are meant to be in group 7, but here they're in group 1. So that's clearly one difference that we can note down. So fluorine and chlorine should be in group 7. And the other thing we can write down, what should be in group 1? So if you look clearly, we've got lithium, sodium, and potassium. In this periodic table, they're in group 2. But if you look at the modern periodic table, you'd see they should be in group 1. So lithium, sodium, and potassium should be in group 1. That's how you get 2 marks for the last part.